evening, guys. So this video is for those that were asking how to add end screen to their video. So the first thing, because we are using the phone, so we're using the mobile phone, so it's going to be different from the desktop. So that's why we're going to be using our Chrome. Then you're going to go to your Chrome and search for YouTube Studio, YouTube Studio desktop site. Please, it's YouTube Studio desktop site. Then click on the search bar. Now, this is going to be the first thing that's going to pop up is the YouTube Studio. But please listen clearly. Don't click on the YouTube Studio. Like long press. I mean long press. Like place your hand on the YouTube Studio. Please long press it. Then you are going to see something that's going to pop up. I'm coming. See, it's already pop up. So you are not going to click open in new tab, because if you just click on the YouTube Studio straight up, it's going to take you back to your YouTube Studio app on your phone. So then you click on open in new tab. This is going to open a new tab in the background of your phone. Then you go to where your tabs, like where your recent tabs are going to stay. Yeah, you're going to see the recent this thing that you've done, like your recent searches actually. So you click on this channel dashboard, the last one, the very last one you just created. So it's going to take you to the YouTube Studio desktop site now. This is where you're going to be able to add your end screen. I think it's the network. Okay. So this is it. Then for me to be able to go, I'll go to content. So this is going to show you the videos you've done, your recent videos. So the particular one you want to add end screen to. Do you understand? Like the main one you want to add end screen to, that's what you're going to click on. So let's say I want to add end screen to this. Let's say this is the old painters, this one. Okay, so this way I want to add the end screen. There's no need for you to go to anywhere in this by this your right side. There's no need for that. Immediately you click on the particular video you want to add end screen to. See, by your right hand side, you see this end screen there. That's where you're going to add your end screen. But actually, if you want to do anything on this particular place here, you are free to. But the main thing we are doing is add end screen. So I'm just going to be clicking on this end screen here by the right hand side. Okay, so see, my own already has end screen, but for you, if you want to add your end screen, you are going to see that this place is going. Okay, let me delete it. So we're going to start from the beginning again. I'm trying to delete it. Okay, so this is how your own is going to be actually when once you get to this place. So for us to be able to add our end screen to it, you can see this element. These are the elements. That is the one. These are the templates that are already provided for us. But actually, if you know you want to change if you want to change what is there, probably that's not what you want to do. Maybe you want to add playlist, subscribe channel, or another person's channel to help the person to boost their channel. It's going to be showing on your own video after your video is almost done, or depending on the particular place you're putting it. But for us, we're going to be using the YouTube template. That's the one that's already there for us. So I'll just click on any template that I want to use. See, there are different templates. There's the one that is going to be import from latest video, one video, then your subscribe. That's your particular channel. But let me say I'm using this one video and one subscribe, because I've not really done the playlist. So one video and one subscribe. Then I'll click on the video and the subscribe. It's going to be showing you exactly where it is placed. Okay, the one that is showing the blue. So this one now, this means that this is allowing YouTube to recommend the particular video for you. But actually, if you know you want to change that, is you don't want YouTube to recommend, because it's saying best for viewers. Probably you want to pick from your own videos or the one you just recently uploaded. Let's say I want to put my most recent upload on it now. See, so once I change it to most recent upload, by my left side, it's going to be showing that particular blue line. Then if I want this subscribe to be there, this my fairy tales, this thing, if I want it to be there, this subscribe actually. And you can also shift it. Maybe you don't want it to be placed like that, and the maximum you can add four different end screen to your video. That's to the end of the video. I can shift it. I can add four. The maximum is four. If you want to add four end screen, it is allowed to add. But please notice this. I want to just show it. You can't see Once you place them together, it will not allow you to save it. That means your end screen must not overlap. Like, it must not overlap. I'm just doing it in case of if you want to, maybe you want to add four different videos. It must not overlap. The moment it overlaps, you won't be able to save it. So you have to take it away from there and bring it back to where it's okay, very, very okay. You can either decide to make this one come down, make this one go up, or make it come down. Anyhow, anyone that is preferable to you, that you like it, then that's very, very fine. Also, for you to be able to drag it down, because you see, the maximum that you can add this end screen is for the 20 seconds. But if you want to reduce it, then you click on it as if you're using your laptop. You drag it down, you click on it, then you drag it down. See, so that's the same thing. You do it like Adi people are using the laptop. We are going to be like the arrow is going to be on the ending of this part. So that's where you're going to place your hand on, then drag it to where you want it to be. So that's just then you just click on save. The moment you click on save, it is going to save. And you can also preview it if you want to preview it. You can preview it from this place, very, very close to the pencil icon. So you're going to see how it is. It is very, very easy to do. And you can also change this one, your visibility, to private, public, only, anyone you want. But that is how to add the end screen. I hope I helped you guys a bit. Thank you very much for watching.